But first, a Hazleton man is behind bars after slamming his car into a restaurant in Hazleton. Christina Papa spoke with the owner of the shop today to find out how she's dealing with the damage.
The Monk's Abbey Coffee House in Heights Terrace is boarded up, and owner Sally Yale won't be opening her doors anytime soon. Her restaurant was hit by a speeding car on Saturday afternoon. Today, she went back to the coffee house to assess the damages.
But at those speeds, there was no way he was going to make the turn. So instead of turning down Kiefer, he decided to turn right into the building.
21-year-old Juan Rodriguez drove right into the building while trying to make a turn onto Kiefer Avenue around 1 o'clock on Saturday. Yale was in the shop when it happened. She says folks rushed out to make sure Rodriguez was okay.
One of the men observed him pulling a bottle of alcohol out of the glove compartment as if he wanted to dispose of it before he took off.
After Rodriguez crashed into the building, he tried to put the car in reverse and leave the scene. That's when the owner says at least 6 men jumped into action, grabbing onto the car, making sure he couldn't leave. One of those men held on for so long while Rodriguez tried to drive down Kiefer Street. He was dragged right along with the car. Luckily, that man was not injured in that incident. Rodriguez then began fighting with several other witnesses, even biting one of them. Police were able to track Rodriguez. He's been charged with several offenses, including recklessly endangering, resisting arrest, and driving under the influence. Sally hopes to have Monk's Abbey Coffee House up and running by June. Until then, she plans to use this unexpected downtime as a chance to add more items to her menu. Christina Papa, News 13, Hazleton.